Hello, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do some reflections today. The directions are asking us to reflect over the y equals 0. All right? So step 1. Okay, step 1, we're going to go ahead and draw the line of reflection. Okay, so draw line of reflection. Draw a line of reflection. So the line of reflection here is going to be at y equals 0. So this is a review from yesterday, you got to know. Okay, y equals 0 is the y-axis. Cross it at 0. Y-axis, cross it at 0. Okay, crosswalk question. So here we go. We're going to look for y equals 0, which is going to be the x-axis. And that right there is going to be our line of reflection. So here we go. Draw a straight, beautiful math line of reflection. There we go. All right, step 2. We're going to go ahead and label our points. So step 2, label points. Okay, and a point is every time the object changes direction. So here we go. Changes directions right here. We're going to go ahead and call that A. Changes directions right here. We're going to call that B. And we're just going to go in order until we run out of points. So here we go. We got C here. Changes directions. Next, we got C to D. Uh-oh, they're sneaky. Wait a minute. You can look at C, see how it starts going down. Then right there, it makes a slight turn towards that direction. So believe it or not, right there, that's D. You see the little turn right there? They're sneaky. They almost got that one past me. And here we got E. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take these points and reflect them over y equals 0, which is right here. We're going to call this the lake mirror. Okay, so if these points were above in the air, they're looking down the mirror. Okay, into the lake, it should make a reflection of them. So step 3, relocate the points. Okay, so relocate the points. All right, here we go. I'm going to take A. Now you count to the lake, okay? However many it takes to get to the lake, keep going down. So here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get to the lake. Go 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go ahead and label this as A prime. That little apostrophe, call it prime. That means the relocation of A. Next, we're going to take B, also relocate it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit the lake, make its reflection inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here is going to be B prime. Next, we got C. All right, we're going to go ahead and count 1. We're hitting the lake. Basically, the line of reflection is called the line of reflection. And 1 more to get C prime. After that, now we notice we got point D. Point D, if you notice, is already underneath the water. In this case, we're going to make a reflection in the air. So D, it takes 1 to go up, hit the line of reflection, then 1 more to actually create the new point. So that's D prime right there. And our last point, also in the water, is E. We're going to go ahead and count up to make a line of reflection in the air. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the mirror. And go up 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lands right there. So that's going to be E prime. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect them in order. From A prime to E prime. So here we go. We have A prime connects to B prime right here. Then we got B prime connects to C prime. C prime connects to D prime. D to E. And E back to A. And notice that we have a perfect reflection at that point.